We are going to the Miami Boat Show. I'm super excited. Welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to follow along. And if you've already subscribed and liked, thank you so much for tuning in and watching us each week. This week, we are headed to Miami to go to the Miami Boat Show. So come along with us. It's going to be a great time. From luxurious yachts to innovative watercraft, this event promises a spectacular showcase of maritime marvels. Hey, I'm Pam, and this is my husband Audie. Together we are Salty Devotions. We sold almost everything we own, moved from Louisiana to the beautiful blue waters of Florida to eventually live out our dream and buy a sailboat. So come along with us for this adventure.
Hi guys, we're walking to the first boat show. The Miami Boat Show is so big, it's actually in 6 different locations. So we're gonna go check this first one out and see what's going on. A lot of catamarans to choose from. Pam's checking out the manatee.
It's Bloody Mary time.
Big lagoon there, pretty. And 65 right here. This is 80-foot catamaran, a sunreef.
That is a boat. With over 1,000 boats on display, this event is a haven for boat lovers and maritime lovers alike. Let's set sail and explore the wonders that await us.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow,
I love this out here.
Your wine rack, champagne.
Stove is bigger.
Maybe like this one.
I do like this one a lot better.
So this is the 55 we're doing. She really likes this one. A lot more room.
Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. This is the Lagoon 55. I found my boat. Look at the counter in here. This is super nice. Steps up to the bed, light. Look at the detail in the wall. I don't guess it's called wallpaper, but there's some kind of paneling. Lots of storage. Window. I'm not coming tomorrow. I'm doing my wall.
Oh, yeah, storage.
So let's see, this is twin beds right here.
Kids or...
Right. But again, look at the storage. Alright, so we're going down on the other side. Oh, a nice size refrigerator. Freezer. More storage. Another nice size room.
See the stairs going up to the...
Yes, I did. The stairs to get into the bed, that makes it so much easier. Another nice shower.
I like the carpet. You can pull the carpet out. Change it if you need to.
It feels so lush walking on it. The bed feels nice and thick. Very pretty. And here's another bathroom with another shower. Yes, it has a lot of windows, so it makes it feel very open and airy. This one has a desk area, which would be great. Here's a desk area if you need it.
Editing videos.
For editing our videos. See, it's got windows here and windows here. Each of them has a little fan and then the little lights. This one doesn't have any steps to go up it. This one definitely would be easy to get into.
Easy to change the sheets too.
Yes.
Where's taking out out? Guys, where's taking out?
Little hatch to get out if you need to in an emergency. Let's see what's underneath here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a little area to hold your drinks if you're having a drink in bed. I found my boat.
She likes this one.
I do like this one. Another sink up here.
She looks like a good captain, huh?
Let's go. Oh, that opens up to a bigger table as well.
That does.
Yes. Why are you liking this so far?
Comfortable going down that every day?
Huh?
That'd be kind of tough every day in the water, rough water, huh?
Yes.
Comfy?
Yes.
I like this. It's another way into the master.
Alright guys, so we just finished up our first stop, which was at the Museum Park Marina, where they had all the catamarans. We toured some beautiful boats, but we are headed on to our next location, so let's go.
So it's pretty cool. They got electric carts to take you around the different locations. Complimentary golf carts.
Okay guys, we are at location number 2, Carroll Plaza. Let's go check it out.
So I think Pam changed her mind. She wants this kind of boat now. Pam, is this the boat you want?
Yes! This is nice.
Pam wants one of these.
Look at it right there. Look at it going.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I got the video. Ready to go get a drink?
Yes.
Let's go.
That's a serious power cat. I needed a little rest, so we found a pretty cool spot. Got some music to entertain us, and we're taking a little break till we continue on.
Foot sunroof.
These boats are insane. They are beautiful. This one has a hot tub. I'll take any one of these.
What you doing?
I'm talking to my granddaughter.
Say hi. Say welcome to the Miami Boat Show.
Welcome to Miami Boat Show.
My favorite boat here was the boat that had the jacuzzi. The color scheme, everything about it was absolutely gorgeous. Loved it. My favorite. So we are finishing up the second location. It was great. It had some beautiful power cat boats. So we're headed on to the third location. Let's go. Alright guys, so we have made it to our third location. So let's go check out what we can find. Let's go.
Alright, this part of the boat show is where you could do a lot of test drives. So you see a boat coming back there, and there's also that dark blue Yamaha Pro Fishing boat coming back there. You do a lot of test drives here, so that's pretty cool. You can actually see how it takes the waves and things like that. Awesome.
It's like getting the water right there.
There's a manatee.
Here, let me move this so you don't spill it and you can get right there. Okay, baby? Here, you can come on here. Is that an electric motor? Look at all the seats on that one.
Yeah, I like the way that one's got plenty of seating.
Look, I like the flooring in that one.
That's 10 seats in that thing. I like that. Alright, here's a 39-foot Invincible. Beautiful boat. And then on that one there, I don't know if you can see it, but look at the screens on that thing. And then here comes another boat coming back in from a test drive. We are currently at the Venetian Marina Yacht Club. This thing looks like a lot of fun. It's a jet surf motorized surfboard. Hop on and go. That looks pretty cool. Alright, I think Pam's starting to peter out on me a little bit. She's looked at enough boats today. I think she's done shopping, so we're gonna probably call it a night here. This was our third stop. I think we got 2 or 3 more tomorrow. We might go get something to eat and recharge our batteries, and then we'll go from there. Have a good night.
So as the sun sets on another incredible day at the Miami International Boat Show, we can't help but feel grateful for the beauty and wonder of the ocean. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the world of boating. Yay! Wait. Wait. Yes. Thanks for watching our Miami Boat Show Part 1. And stay tuned next week for the Miami Boat Show Part 2. Subscribe for more adventures and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And as always, thank you for watching.